So, like I said in part one, blood is another connective tissue, and it's found everywhere in the body, in the blood vessels and so forth, as I mentioned. This also it protects against infection. They have, in the body, and it also, with the white blood cells, it protects infection. The red blood cells in the blood also deliver oxygenated, rich blood to the rest of the body and organs. So that's kind of a little bit about blood connective tissue. And finally, on that connective tissue is the supportive connective tissue. And you can find that in cartilage and in bones, and which is all over the body again. I mean, we have cartilage here in the ears and our bridge of our nose, and our elbows, our knees. And so that's supportive connective tissue. Bones obviously help give our structure to the body, and along with all our ligaments and everything else in the body that keeps us standing upright. That's connective tissue. It kind of gives the body frame for supportive connective tissue. Those are the bones. Now, another connective tissue is muscle tissue, and this helps the body move, walk, sit, stand, hold your head up, talk. And it is movement for internal organs also, like the heart. It helps the heart pump. The stomach, there's muscle movement in there to help facilitate the movement, chime of our food. So that's a movement there. For muscle tissue, for the connective tissue on the muscles, there's three types. There's skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Skeletal is voluntary. Smooth is also involuntary. Is involuntary along with cardiac. That's also involuntary. That's something that we don't have control over. The body just does it on its own. And skeletal muscles, they are attached to bones and openings of the mouth and the anus. Smooth muscles are found in the stomach. The cardiac muscle is obviously found in the heart, and again, that helps pump the heart. Moving on to the last but not least is the nervous tissue, and that is found in the brain and spinal cord. The nerve cells in the tissue send signals of information from one portion of the body, like from here, the head, telling another portion of the body to move your foot, move your hand, just like I did. That's nervous tissue. And we also have, of course, it branches off into peripheral nerves and so forth. But that's a little bit of a breakdown of our 4 epithelial tissues. Again, my name is Rena Corral Garcia, and this is Bio 230, November, what day is it? I'm sorry, I forgot. November 12th, 2017. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope I did a great job. Thank you. Bye.